Good morning, folks. It's Wolf Diego from beautiful Ensenada, Mexico. Right here at Cruzport Marina, Ensenada Harbor. And look who's waiting for me bright and early this Wednesday morning, the 27th of July, 2022. We've got Charlene. Yes, Charlene, not Charlie. As you recall, yesterday is when I fed everybody. Charlene's family and the little kitties in the rocks over here. Well, she must have saw me throwing the fish over here to the kitties. Okay, here comes Charlie. Okay, that's Charlie. And that's Charlene. Charlene is the mother. She was here first, so I know she's the protective mother. And Charlie's her mate. And yeah, they're looking for their free handout. Yeah, what a beautiful bird. Charlie's a good boy. Charlie? Yeah, that's right where I threw the fish heads too. So you get them used to free handouts and they want it every day. Beautiful bird though, he's huge. Yeah, he must be the male. So he's Charlie and I was calling the female Charlie, and that's Charlene. So she's definitely the one that takes care of the babies. Wonder how the baby's doing this morning, and also where are the little kitties this morning? I haven't seen them yet, so I'm getting ready to go fishing here already. I got my this morning. I'm going to start with the old lure. See the old Rapala lure that looks like a mackerel with the stripes and everything. We're just going to start with that. Forget about the little number 6 mustad. All right. I'll throw this in the bucket just to have it for later for an emergency. Get my my knife going here. All I need now is the rag, and let's go catch some fish. Let's go catch some fish. Okay, there's the rag over on that side, of course. Oh, can I even reach it from here? Oh, don't think so. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, we got our rag. Got the bug out van all ready to go. All right. We just leave it open here. We're just right down here, fishing down here on H dock. Behind this first big boat is the Serendipity. Everything's real close. Everything's real secure. Just leave the van open. Nobody's going to touch it. All right. Oops. Okay. I'm over here this morning, ready to go. Pretty rough day yesterday, having to go all the way back to San Diego, Tijuana, park the bug out van, go see if the little woman is okay, and then go over to my mom's house in San Diego, only to have my own brother mad at me. And so I left and came back to Mexico. No use fighting over things. Anyway, I'd rather be over here feeding the kitties and the seagulls. Wow, I've never seen Charlie this friendly before. Well, he's a big, beautiful bird. So, yeah, they're waiting for their food, their free handout. And I don't know where the kitties are, but they'll be here too. They're probably all denned up in their den with their mother. So we'll get to fishing. Yeah, Charlie, Charlie. Yeah, he was never this friendly before. It was Charlene that would come up to me, and he's got kind of a feather in his mouth. Wonder what he's been doing, maybe fighting or something. But definitely the big male, he's built for fighting. Okay, what's he doing here? It's kind of like throwing up something, regurgitating something. So let's get down there and get to fishing and see what's going on with their baby. Okay. Okay, folks. I just barely started down the ramp and Charlie met me here. He's talking. And I think that's why, because their baby is over there. That's got to be the baby. She made it through the night. It's extremely low tide here this morning. Good 6 feet under. Okay, where's Charlene? If this is Charlie right here, he's definitely waiting for me. Keeps talking. Okay, baby's trying to spread its wing. Okay, there's baby, trying to take off. Okay, she wants to fly. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, big deal. First day of flying lessons. Yeah, she wants to fly with the big boys. All right, I better get them some food. They're all depending on old Diego and the little kitties too to feed them. See, there's the bug out van. Look at how low the tide is right here. So, all right, that was nice. Okay, folks, we're getting going here already. Okay, now is that Charlie or Charlene? Now I'm confused. Okay, no, that's Charlene because there's Charlie up there. Okay, that's the male up there on the boat. Okay, that's Charlene, the mother, definitely. Okay, and that's the male up there, Charlie. And this is me over here, well, Diego, with all this stress and pressure having to provide for this family that's waiting for food. Look, he's got an attitude this morning like, my boy needs food. Feed the little fledgling that's learning to fly today. If we're lucky, might even get some video of the baby flying. I think we're gonna see a new flight today. Okay, and I better get to paying attention here. I'm jigging this morning. I'm not even bothering with the old skins anymore. Okay, the mackerel skin didn't work first time. Every time, forget it. Let's jig. I think that works first time, every time. Here they come. Only been here like 2 minutes. I can see them starting to come. They're starting to get interested already. Okay, here we go, folks. In here, 2 minutes, 11 seconds, according to the camera. She's waiting. Charlie's waiting up there. And the baby is over here somewhere. Everybody's coming alive. The whole community is coming alive this morning. And I've got to wake up too. I've had a hard night driving back and forth from Ensenada to San Diego and Tijuana and back to Ensenada. I'll get it figured out here sooner or later. Okay? You can't please everyone, so you just gotta please yourself. Please Charlie and Charlene here. That's Alex's boat, the Hunter, is making noise. The bilge pump. That's what that is the. I thought it was a sea lion. It's the bilge pump. Okay. So the big beautiful bird I was showing you up in the parking lot was actually Charlene. She's huge. Okay, come on now. Well, Diego's got to do his thing and get a fish for him. A couple fishes for them and the kitties. Everybody's depending on me. The pressure's on. The pressure's on. Okay. All right. Don't make me turn off the video. Don't make me turn off the video. There he is. He doesn't look as big as Charlene. She looks huge, like the size of a chicken. He's kind of slender. Okay. Okay, don't prove me wrong that the mackerel skins are better than the lure. I don't think so. Okay. Been here 4 minutes now. Okay. Starting to wake up. The sea life community is waking up. I would like to see a sea lion though again. They haven't been around lately. They must go to their some other fishing grounds once in a while. They haven't been in the marina at all. Usually we got a pretty big colony of 20 or 30 sitting over there on the field dock. Okay, now that makes sense that Charlene is the friendlier, the mother. Of course, she's more concerned about her baby, so that's why she was up in the parking lot greeting me bright and early this morning. I'm training them to take free handouts. I like those free handouts, but I don't mind. I get to fish, and I get to see the satisfaction on their beaks. Come on, don't prove me wrong. Don't prove me wrong. The lure is better than the mackerel skins, but I don't know if anything is better than cut mackerel. Fresh cut mackerel. That's the best. Look, Charlene is waiting. Charlene! Charlene! What a fishy, fishy! Fishy, fishy! Got my knife, got the little hook if I need it. That's for the cut bait later. Where's baby? Where's baby? Where's baby? Baby's gonna fly today. Baby's gonna fly today. Yes. I'd like to get the video of the baby flying. Stretching its wings. So I guess it's normal for the babies to get in the water and float around for a couple days before they learn to fly. But I think the baby will be around here because the mother is here. Okay, folks, I'm going to have to turn this off. It's been 7 minutes of fishing already. That's way too long. Okay, folks, it's been 5 or 10 minutes since I turned off the camera, and I still haven't caught a mackerel yet. But Charlene is waiting right here patiently, And we can hear the baby on the other side of these boats here calling, and that's got Charlene a little upset to hear her baby calling over there. But she knows that the baby is learning to fly and got to have patience. But she met me in the parking lot this morning, half hour ago. She's got the patience of Job. She just, all she cares about is getting that fish for her babies. I'm thinking of trying something here. I was gonna try to, if I catch a small mackerel, I'm gonna give it to her whole and see if she eats it or goes and shares it. But I think she's gonna eat it because I think she needs her nutrition. And then I still think they regurgitate it up for the baby, maybe for the others. She'll probably eat the whole thing and then regurgitate it for the baby. We'll find out, won't we? I've got to catch a mackerel first, so pressure's on. Old Diego has got to catch a mackerel first, and it's been 25 minutes now. That's kind of unusual for my spot here. But also, I want to see that if that baby can fly. I want that baby to fly today. Okay, there's no mackerel action yet. If they were here, I think I would have gotten bit already. So, okay, we'll turn off the camera for a few more minutes here. Okay, folks, here we go. It's been about 25-30 minutes since I first got here, so this is my first school of mackerel I've seen. Big ones. They look big today. Okay. They came and went pretty fast. Okay, nothing hit me. Nothing hit me so far. It takes a while for them to get an appetite too. They don't, it seems like the first time I spotted them the other day, they didn't bite right away. It's like the second or third time I seen them that they started biting. So maybe they're just racing around, and they're getting their appetite worked up. But Charlene is just right here. She's not going anywhere. Look at that. Look at that. She's so patient. Okay. Yeah. It's almost like she can hear when the mackerel are schooling under here. It's almost like she can hear them or senses them too. So you never know all the senses that Mother Nature provides these creatures. Much better than us humans, that's for sure. Okay. Haven't heard the baby for a little while now. Okay, we've seen one school of mackerel come and go real fast. Okay. I think they'll be back here in a little bit. Come back with the appetite. All I can do is keep the jig moving. If I had fresh cut bait, I could stop jigging. Right, Charlene? Right? If I had fresh bait, that'd be better. Maybe I shouldn't give you the whole mackerel. I should cut some bait for myself. But I do want to see what she'll do with a whole live fish. Whether she'll eat it or share it. I'm predicting she's going to eat it. Here they come, here they come, here they come, here they come, Here they come. Look. Here they come. Here they come. Look. Here they are. Here they are. They're here. Here they are. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, Charlene. Man, nothing hit. They came and went so fast, but nothing hit it. Yeah, it's I think they've got to be in that feeding frenzy. There was a school that went by real quick, and nothing hit it, not a single one. Maybe the third time is the charm. They're building up an appetite, racing around the marina, you know, on this beautiful overcasty day when it's so hot in Las Vegas. Right, Charlene? It's so hot in Las Vegas. Aren't you happy we live here in Ensenada, Mexico? The West Coast? Yes, we love it. Okay, folks. I do have a selfie stick, but I've never really used it. It's more convenient just to throw this camera in my pocket and go. That way it's always with me. Okay. Third time's the charm. We're gonna get some mackerel here. Mackerel action in a minute. Then we'll see what Charlene does with a whole live flopping mackerel. Okay. Here we go, folks. Third time's the charm. I just saw the flash of a mackerel. Third time, the third school. Checking it out. Okay. Yeah. Maybe it wasn't a school, it was just a flash of a couple mackerel. But look at this. It's been like 30 minutes. She's still here waiting. She's got that same feather in her mouth too. I wonder what that was from. Okay. Okay. They're schooling around. Yep. They're coming around. It's getting breakfast time in mackerel land here. It's breakfast time for everybody. The mackerel are hungry. Charlene and her family are hungry. And I bet you the little kitties up there are hungry. We'll have some fun with them later when they come out. And if I have some fresh bait for them, some fresh fish for them. Here we go, folks. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Charlene got all excited. I got all excited and I missed it. Charlene's excited over there. Look, she knows. I had one grab it and I jerked it right out of its mouth. But we got the bait back. We got the lure back in there fast. That's the thing, is keep that lure in the water. Keep it dancing. Can't catch a fish unless it's moving. That's the thing about cut bait. You can catch a fish without moving it. We almost had one. Came about halfway out of the water and got out. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woohoo! Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Charlene, look at that. Oh, Charlene. You want it, Charlene? Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, we got a big fat mackerel here. Okay, let's see what Charlene does with it. Boy, she grabbed that sucker. Boy, that sucker's fighting. She's not letting go. Look at that. She's got a grip on that sucker. Boy, she's all excited. He's fighting like crazy. Look at that. She got that fish and ran away fast. See, she's still got it. He's still fighting in her mouth too. She's running away from me. She wants that fish. No one's gonna get that fish away from her. Look at that. Look at that. She's controlling that fish like a... Okay. Where's baby? I think I hear baby. Okay. Look, he's fighting. She doesn't want nobody to get her fish. Look at that. She's just picking at that sucker right at its back, right behind the head. Okay. She's calling out. Wow. It's got them sharp beaks working, digging into that fish, trying to kill that sucker. She's not letting it get anywhere near the edge. Aha! There's little baby. Oh, there's baby. There's baby. He's up on a rock. You see baby? Yeah, I could hear it. Okay, baby's excited now. Okay, baby's on a rock. Mama's right here fighting. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, Mama's trying to kill the fish. It's almost dead. Look, fish isn't moving. And there's baby. Okay, can you see baby? Okay, there's baby. Baby definitely knows Mama's got something over there. Okay, and here's Mama. Look, that fish ain't moving anymore. Okay, and Daddy's flying around over here too. Where's Daddy? Where's Charlie? Okay, what's she gonna do? That fish is dead. That fish is dead. Okay, she's calling out. I don't know whether she's calling for help or what. Or just to let baby know. Okay, where'd baby go? Where'd baby go? Okay. Some other seagulls are... Okay, she's eating it. There she goes, folks. She's gonna eat that sucker. Oh my God, that was a big fat mackerel too. Okay. She's got that whole mackerel. The tail just went in. The head first. Oh my God. She's got it under control in her stomach. Now I wonder, I gotta go read up on what happens if they regurgitate it to the baby. Okay, she's in the water. She's drinking some seawater. Okay. She's drinking some, she's drinking some seawater to down that fish. She's trying to swim away from me though. Okay, where's baby? There's baby. Okay, there's baby. There's baby. There's baby. Mama. Mama, come back here with my fish. Okay. I wonder where she's going. She's leading him. She's leading baby out in the bay, the middle of the bay. She's gonna take baby around the corner. Okay, baby's coming back. Baby's coming back. Okay. Mama's gonna be a pig and eat the whole seagull? Or is she gonna throw it back up somehow? Okay. Baby just walked up onto the rocks. All right. And now I don't know what's going on. Mama ate the whole thing and took off. Baby was following her, calling after her, Mama, I'm hungry. So he's just hanging out on the rocks. Aha, I just spotted something. What's that, folks? What's moving around up there? What is moving on up there? We got 2 heads. We got 3 little heads. We got 3 little heads up there watching us. Okay. They're hungry too. So everything is depending on Old Diego over here. Okay, right beside the bug out van. Right here on the corner of the parking lot. I've got 2, 3, I know there's at least 4 little heads of the kittens. And right there is baby Seagull. All depending on old Diego to catch more fish. So it's nature at work here, folks. But I don't want to become part of the food chain where they depend on me. Okay, baby Seagull is going back in the water. And okay, kitty. Okay, we got 1 little gray kitty. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe. Okay. Yeah, I got 1 little kitty down here on the rocks. Okay. Got 1 little kitty in the rocks. I got 4 or 5 more up there. Okay, here's the little blonde one. Okay. They're coming down to maybe check out baby Seagull. Okay, she just went in the rocks. All right. We got, just like in the wild. Just like in the wild. They look like domesticated. Okay, there goes baby Seagull swimming around the corner. Okay, folks, everything's dependent on Old Diego to catch some fish, so I better get back to action here.